Easy. Next one up, Vicky Smith. Um, is my offer desirable and well formulated so that my niche will see it and say, I want that? Their niche is women, small or solo business owners, and the offer is an online group course for 8 weeks to help them stop playing small and buffering because of fear of failure or judgment. As an aside, Vicky says she works with a lot of people pleasers and perfectionists in their therapy practice. So this is one of the hurdles for women in business. I will help them calm down inside, find clarity, learn to make decisions based on what's in alignment with their best business practices so they can feel stable and confident inside and create a sustainable and satisfying business on the outside. There's quite a lot in there, so I'll pop it in the chat for you again.
Perfect. Thank you. Yeah, Vicky. Well, thank you. It's very worthwhile. It's good that you're wondering it in advance before you put it out or in the early days of putting it out. People tend to think marketing is about there's some like magical hypnotic language you can use that just makes everything work and makes people want to buy, but really it's about the offer itself. So this is one of the big things I'd say to everybody is we want to make sure the offer is something that they want, something that they would see and say, yeah, hell yes. So, okay. Right. As Vicky says, would they look at it and say, I want that? Right. That's exactly what we want. The very first thing I'd say is if you go to marketingforhippies.com/value slider, you'll see a very robust article with a series of videos, a link to a little assessment you can take, and it will help you self-evaluate your offers based on, I think, 8 criteria. This is largely my riff on something Tom Poland did in his fantastic book Leadsology, which I recommend. Okay, but so the niche, women, small solo business owners. Okay, so that's demographic, we know. Okay, so the thing that's not totally clear to me, though, it's sort of woven in, is the Island A and B. Okay, so it's an online group course for 8 weeks roughly. So okay, so we know what it is to help them stop playing small. Okay, so then my question would be, first of all, are they aware that they're playing small? Is that a symptom or is that your diagnosis? I don't know. And buffering, confusing word, I don't know what it means. And so the confused mind says no. Maybe everybody knows that word but me, but I don't. Right, they're buffering because of the fear of failure and judgment. Okay, so again, are they aware they have a fear of failure and judgment, or is that your diagnosis? Is that how they would say it? Right, work with a lot of people pleasers and perfectionists. Are they aware of this? This is my overall question about the Island A is, are they coming to you saying, boy, I know I'm playing small because I'm so scared of judgment and failure, and I know I'm a people pleaser and perfectionist, or is it that they have some symptoms because of that, which is why they're coming? Right, I want to help them, I will help them calm down inside. Is that what they're craving? I'm not convinced that's how they would say it. Find clarity. Okay, so we have a number of Island A's and B's suggested. One is calm down inside, meaning when they come to you, they're anxious or worked up inside, and then calm inside. Then there's Island B of clarity, which means Island A is some level of confusion. Learn to make decisions based on what's in alignment with their best business practices. So they can feel okay, so that they can feel confident and stable inside, right? But is it my business systems are out of alignment? Now they're in alignment. Is it I feel lack of confidence and unstable, and now I feel confident and stable? And so overall, I find myself right, and even this one. So I can create a sustainable and satisfying business on the outside. I just feel a little lost. There's so many Island A's and B's that I'm sort of drowning in who is this for and what is it? So homework here, number 1, can you sum up Island A in 3 words and Island B in 3 words? And slightly extended 7 words. 7 words, that will help a lot. Like, what's the heart of this issue? The 3-word exercise is helpful because what's the big thing? Like, what's the main reason they're coming, Island A, what's the symptoms that them they're experiencing on Island B? What's the result they're craving? Setting aside everything we want for them, our diagnoses, what are they struggling with? What do they want? Once you have that, then you have a chance to create an offer that's going to help them make that journey. And then you can use the value slider. But until that's clear, it's hard to give feedback on whether there would be a response. So that's what I'd say.
Grand. Okay.